Welcome to Tech Vibes. If your TV power light is red or blinking and the screen is completely black, do not panic. In the next 10 seconds, I will tell you one thing clearly. In 90% cases, standby mode problems are caused by power, remote, or software issues, not a dead panel. Now listen carefully, like a technician working in front of the TV. First solution. Perform a proper power reset. Turn the TV off using the main power button, not the remote. Unplug the power cable from the wall socket. Now press and hold the TV power button for 30 seconds. This discharges residual electricity from the main board and power board. Wait 10 minutes. Plug the TV directly into a wall socket, no extension, no spike guard. Turn the TV on and check. Second solution. Check the remote control. A stuck power button can force the TV into standby loop. Remove the remote batteries. Clean the power button area gently. Try turning the TV on using the physical button on the TV panel. If the TV turns on, replace the remote or clean it properly. Third solution. Inspect the standby indicator behavior. If the red light blinks continuously, count the blinks. Many brands use blink codes to indicate internal protection errors. Continuous blinking usually points to power board or backlight protection. In this case, disconnect all external devices like HDMI, USB, set-top box, and sound system. Then power on the TV again. Fourth solution. Check voltage stability. Low or unstable voltage can lock the TV in standby mode. This is very common in areas with load shedding or generator supply. Test the TV on a different wall socket. If possible, test it in another room or another house. Fifth solution. Software-related standby lock. This is common in smart TVs after update failure. If the TV shows logo then goes to standby, software is corrupted. Some TVs support forced recovery using USB firmware. Download the exact firmware model from the official brand website only. Rename the file exactly as instructed by the manufacturer. Insert USB, then power on following the recovery key sequence. Sixth solution. Backlight protection issue. If the TV turns on for 1 second then goes standby, backlight may be shorted. This is confirmed by torch light test on the screen. This requires technician repair, not user repair. Final technician advice. Do not open the TV if you are not trained. Never change service menu settings blindly. Always test power, remote, and software before assuming hardware failure. This is Tech Vibes. If this guide helped you, subscribe for real technician level solutions.